In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code your calendars to make your schedule more intuitive and aesthetically pleasing. Organizing your calendar is not just about keeping track of time, it's about making it easier for you to plan your days with clarity and style. With a few simple tweaks, you can transform a plain calendar into a visual masterpiece that reflects different aspects of your life. Let's start with customizing your calendar colors. On the left sidebar under My Calendars, hover over the specific calendar you want to change. This will reveal a small icon that looks like three vertical dots, commonly referred to as the Options menu. Click on it, and you'll see an option to choose a custom color. This feature is incredibly handy for assigning distinct soft or pastel colors to different categories in your life, such as work, personal time, fitness, or special events. By distinguishing these with colors, you can quickly glance at your calendar and know what's coming up without having to read every single entry. Next, let's explore custom event colors. Whenever you're creating or editing an event, you'll see a color palette icon. Clicking on this allows you to pick a unique color for that specific event. Using color in this way adds another layer of organization, as you can assign particular colors to recurring events or urgent tasks. If you're someone who loves to coordinate colors aesthetically, you can even use hex codes, like Natura FFB61 for a lovely pastel pink. This approach not only makes your calendar more attractive, but also helps in visually categorizing activities. Moving on, adjusting your view settings can significantly enhance how you interact with your calendar. Click on the settings gear at the top right corner and then head over to Settings. Under View Options, consider enabling or disabling features according to your preference. For instance, if you're aiming for a minimalist look, you might choose to hide weekends. Another useful option is reducing the brightness for past events, which visually prioritizes upcoming tasks. If you like structure and detail, showing week numbers could provide an additional layer of organization. Lastly, let's add some fun to your events by incorporating emojis. When naming an event, think about adding emojis that represent the activity. For example, for a self-care Sunday, you might use a flower emoji like a cherry blossom. For work projects, a computer emoji fits perfectly, while a weightlifting emoji can denote gym time. Incorporating these little symbols not only brightens up your calendar, but also makes it even more intuitive to navigate. Thank you for joining me for this walkthrough. By following these steps, your calendar will not only be a tool for tracking time, but also a personalized space that reflects your lifestyle. Enjoy your beautifully organized, color-coded calendar.